Hello guys, hope you're good. I just decided to take my kids out. We at Yellowwood Park. We are at Yellowwood Park. It's a nature reserve. Very beautiful place, very wow place, very place like we just want to be here and relax with my kids since it's a weekend and my son is opening school on Wednesday, going to grade 1. So I've just decided to bring them here. Just decided to come here to see the zebras and what do they call those animals? Kurus. You'll see them in the video. It is.